Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. So the steps are very much simple. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet or your Wi-Fi connection. Then simply tap on your Instagram app, go to the Instagram. Here we go. And then after, just tap on this messenger icon at the top right side in order to see your message. So click on this messenger icon and again click on the person name whom you have sent the message. So you will enter on your message box. So here just click on your message for a second. Just long click on this message which you have sent. So here you can see the three options, that is reply, unsend and more. So in order to delete the message from both sides, just click on this unsend option at the middle. Just click on this unsend and again click on this unsend option. Here it says that unsending will remove the message from for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already. So just simply click on this unsend option. That's it. Now the Instagram message has been deleted from the both sides. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.